So we have kind of slept in. We got a good night's sleep, and we just checked out of our hotel. It's like 11 in the morning. Showered, ready to go. It is raining, and we can't get into our Airbnb until 4. So yeah, we're gonna go try to find a good place to eat. We are outside either a massive pachinko parlor or what would you say, or a slot machine casino. So we're gonna go in there and take a look and play a little bit. I don't have any clue what we're doing, and we are probably, I don't know if I can video in there, so we'll see what happens as I try to record going in there. Oh. You gotta. Look. Let me do this. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Hold on. No, bye. Oh, I think I got a headache. It's so loud in there. We couldn't have our camera on in there. But basically, it's just gambling. It's just it took us like 20 minutes to figure out how to get the change.
Yeah.
And then we just sat there and pushed buttons, and my ears have exploded from the noise inside there. Same with Barbara. We just walked out. We thought we were in like a loud concert. But it was fun, and it was interesting.